Greetings of the day. I am Megha Gupta, Assistant Professor in Babu Banarsi Das University. Today we'll be studying schools of Muslim law. Under schools of Muslim law, we'll study who is a Muslim, and then we'll come to the various schools of Muslim law, namely Hanafi school, Maliki school, Shafi school, Hanbali school, Ithna Ashri school, Ismaili school, and Zaidi school. A Muslim is a person who follows Islam and believes in one God, that is Allah. Muslims can be of two types, by birth or by conversion. Muslims by conversion can be further classified into Muslims by rituals, that is when a person reads the Kalma and accepts Islam as his or her religion, or by practice, that is when a person follows Islam and accepts Allah as their one true God. Article 25 of the Constitution of India guarantees every citizen of India the freedom to practice, profess and propagate one's religion. However, in Azima Bibi versus Munshi Samalanand, it was observed that a child who is born of a Muslim couple is a Muslim even if he goes to a Hindu temple until and unless he actually converts to another religion or renounces his own religion. In another case of Bhaiya Sher Bahadur versus Bhaiya Ganga Baksh Singh, it was held that if a Muslim woman has a child with a Hindu man and that child is brought up as a Hindu, then in this case he will be considered a Hindu and not a Muslim. With regard to marriage, bigamy is valid under Islamic law but not under Hindu law. In the case of Sarla Mudgal versus Union of India and Lily Thomas versus Union of India, the court held that if a Hindu married man converts his religion to Islam just to get away with bigamy and to avoid its punishment, the marriage would be void and he would be held liable under section 494 of the IPC. Under Muslim law, if a married man renounces his religion, then in that case his marriage ends immediately. But this is not the case for Muslim women who convert. Her marriage does not automatically come to an end if it was done according to the rituals of Muslim law. Now coming to the schools of Muslim law, the first and the most popular school is the Hanafi law. It was earlier known as Kufa school but was later renamed on its founder Abu Hanafi. The founder of this school had not written any books laying down the rules of the school, and therefore the school has grown through two disciples, Imam Muhammad and Imam Abu Yusuf. Both of them gave to the juristic preference istihsan and codified the ijmas of that period. In Hanafi school, Hidayah was the most important and authoritative book, which was created over a period of 13 years by Ali bin Abu Bakr al-Maghrani. The second school is the Maliki school, which gets its name from Malik bin Anas. He was the Mufti of Medina. The Maliki school gives the importance to the Sunnah and Hadith, whereas the Hanafi school gave importance to the people and istihsan. Muwatta of Imam Malik is considered as the most authoritative book of the Maliki school. This book is also the first book written on the Hadith in Islam, and this book is considered as the authority over all Muslims in the world. The third is the Shafi school. According to this school, they considered ijmas as the most important source of Muslim law and provide validity to the customs of the Islamic people. The main contribution of Shafi school is the Qiyas. The Al-Risala of Imam Shafi was considered as the only authoritative book of Islamic jurisprudence. In that book, they discuss and interpret the ijmas, that is consensus, and Qiyas, that is an analogy. The next school is Hanbali school. The Ahmad bin Hanbal is the founder of Hanbali school. He founded the school in 241 AD. He is the disciple of Imam Shafi and supports Hadith. He strongly opposed the Ijtihad's method. He introduced the theory of tracing the root of Sunnah and Hadith and tried to get the answers to all his questions. His theory was to return to the Sunnah of the Prophet. The next school is that of Ithna Ashri. These schools are based on the followings of Ithna Ashri laws, and the people who follow this are mostly found in Iran and Iraq. In India also there is a majority of Shia Muslims who follow the principles of this school. They are considered political quietists. This school is considered as the most dominant schools of Shia Muslims. The people who follow Ithna Ashri school believe in 12 Imams, starting from Imam Ali, and that the last of the Imam disappeared and will be returning as Mahdi, that is Messiah. The next school is that of the Ismailis. The Ismaili school in India have two groups, that is the Khojas, which represent the followers of present Aga Khan, who they considered as the 49th Imam in the line of Prophet, and the Bohras, that is the Western Ismailis, who are divided into Daudis and Sulaimanis. The Bohras and Khojas of Mumbai are considered as the followers of this school. It is considered that the followers of this school have special knowledge of religious doctrines. The last school is that of Zaydis. The followers of this school are not found in India but are maximum in number in Saudi Arabia. This sect of the Shia school is the most dominant among all in Yemen. The followers of this school are considered as political activists. With this, we end the topic of schools of Muslim law. Thank you for joining us.